Vvital Biomed is proud to introduce the VLR system, a novel transcatheter solution for mitral valve repair. The VLR system offers a combination of Valve Posterior Leaflet Repair and Annuloplasty in one device. The VLR solution is based on the gold standard surgical mitral valve repair approach. The VLR treatment is applicable for 95% of MR patients. During implantation, a transseptal approach is used to ensure the VLR device is properly deployed, aligned, and positioned above the mitral valve leaflets with echo guidance. Once placed, the posterior part of the VLR implant prevents prolapse and leaflet flailing while restoring coaptation and native valve function and instantly preventing leakage. A unique attachment tool and a super elastic coupling element anchor the implant to the leaflets at several locations to prevent misalignment and migration. VLR restores leaflet coaptation, which enables the native valve to function with adequate blood output without MR. Over time, the VLR device will be surrounded by tissue ingrowth and become an inherent part of the mitral valve. The VLR device becomes part of the native mitral annulus, preventing any late dilation. The Vvital Biomed solution is the only transcatheter system that repairs the MR with an additional annuloplasty effect. VLR, Valve Leaflet Repair, restores native vitality.